Are you wanting to own your own piece of Texas country living, but struggling to find the perfect property? Imagine waking up every morning to the serene beauty of the Texas countryside, with ample space for your family to roam and explore. With this property, you can enjoy the peace and privacy that country living has to offer, while still being close enough to town for convenience. Not only will you have the opportunity to live in a tranquil setting with vast open spaces and serene surroundings, this property is ideal for country enthusiasts seeking ample space for their horses or any type of livestock. There are pristine views of the countryside from your back patio, where you can watch your cattle or horses roam. The wet weather tank is available for the animals, as well as the 2 troughs at the pens, making their grazing on the coastal fields easier. The property is a 10.26 Ag Exempt acreage, with many features being fully fenced and cross-fenced. The pens have the troughs with floats, different sections with a chicken coop in one back area, and a chute for easier loading of your animals. There's a 400 square foot well shed and an 1,800 square foot 3-sided barn with some concrete flooring and another 900 square feet storage building. The section by the shed areas has the second electrical pole and meter. There is a 30 amp RV plug in place. The well shed was rewired in 2022, with the well being reworked in 2022 with a new jet pump. The home, having 4 sides of stone and a metal roof, make it a home that will last the stand of time. The 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home has an office area off the laundry room. Come and enjoy this home with its special features for truly country living with city convenience. It's located north of Stockdale and south of Seguin and close to the toll road.